The construction industry was one of the worst hit by the financial crisis, but there are signs it could be recovering. Figures from the accountancy firm Deloitte show office construction in the capital is at a 4-year high, and there's been an 8% increase in just 6 months. Mark Ashdown reports.
They say a busy skyline is a booming one, and it doesn't come more congested than this. Everywhere you go, you can see and hear construction work. All this, we're told, is positive news for growth.
I think it shows that developers and investors have confidence in the London market. In a state where the UK economy is pretty weak, we're seeing stronger levels of construction activity, which is a good indicator of the health of the UK, and particularly the London economy.
Good news for burgeoning businesses. Mind Candy, responsible for the popular Moshi Monsters, has expanded twice, going from 30 staff to 200. Finding suitable premises has been tough.
So it was a very, very difficult search when we were initially looking, because we need ultra flexibility over a period of time because we're growing and adding so many people. But it's super important to our future goals that we can do that and we can do it comfortably. And you can see, obviously, we need to have an office that can accommodate a bit of quirkiness and a bit of fun.
There is now much more to choose from. 72 schemes are currently underway. Construction has increased by 8% in just 6 months. Perhaps more crucially, in 2011, just 1% of under-construction office space was pre-let. Now, 33% is let out before it's even built. Which is good news. There's no point in having all this office space built if there's no one to occupy it. Economists, though, do sound a note of caution. We're in a period of historically low interest rates, which means cheap credit. Is all this, then, simply inflating another bubble?
The fear is that if credit is cheap, investors might be less risk averse, be more willing to take risks, and make poor investment decisions.
And what happens if those rates go up again?
Well, yeah, I would imagine, especially if the rates are linked to the Bank of England base rate, that of course the loans on the commercial property development will go up, and it might be the case that investors are finding themselves underwater in their development.
For now, though, as the skyline grows, so does the capital's economy. Mark Ashdown, BBC London News.
All right, let's see what the weather